Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And we are here in the master bedroom of the gigantic dollhouse. And the reason why I am bringing this room back to you again is because it is going to undergo a major change. So I want you to look at it the way it is now. Many of you have probably seen it, but maybe some of you haven't. So I wanted you to see what it looks like before I make the change. So I will be bringing it back to you. Now this here is a picture frame that I have been using behind the bed as a focal point, but that is going to change. I also added a ceiling fan, which I made myself. And I have some beautiful furniture here that I bought at a yard sale from my friend Nancy. I bought much more furniture from her, all for just $25. So that was a steal. So again, this is going to undergo a major change. So I hope that you stay tuned and I hope that you will enjoy the new look. Thank you so much for watching.